What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, just got this. It's a Fyland tactical flashlight, and I thought I would do a true unboxing here and then test it out. I've gotten some Fyland stuff in the past and have really liked everything I've gotten from them, so thought why not take another stab at it and see what they've got in the way of tactical flashlights, because I always love a good flashlight. So here it is. Comes with, man, it comes with a bunch of stuff. All right, so here we have the flashlight. It's aluminum. It looks like it's anodized in black here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's anodized. I'm not sure. Maybe it's painted. It's on the lighter side. I mean, aluminum is pretty light anyway. Seems like nice construction. You can see here, pretty sharp edges to stuff. Really kind of distinct tactical looking flashlight. A little cold, I'm showing fingerprints. Little knurling. This is a little bit slick. It's not a super deep cut on it, and we have a flat spot there. You can engrave Peter von Panda on it. We have the lens and the LED element there. You can see the crown here, the protector. Lens is pretty deep, you know, as you can see it's a little deeper, so that should provide nice protection. Then the back end, we have these nice big knurled edges. We have a rubberized button on the back. We have a lanyard already installed. I'm going to assume that this unscrews here, O-ring right there, and as you can see, this is where we'll put in the battery, which it does come with batteries, so that is pretty nice. These batteries, 18650 lithium ions, are 2400 milliamp hour, and I love these batteries, and they are like, I don't know, $8 a pack if you buy them separately, so pretty nice feature there. You can see that we get two blue ones here. I will say, before I throw this in here, because I'm hoping one of them has a charge, we also get a charger for it, which is pretty cool. So you can throw these things on here. Positive end is not always super obvious because it doesn't stick out like it does. But there we go. LED lights on, so I guess this thing actually has a charge, so might as well use this one. I'm going to throw it in this way, which I think is the right way. Take the cap and screw it back on here. Oh, I can see that I already screwed up the button and turned it on. Wasn't paying attention to my clicks. And then just make sure I'm not cross-threading here. Turn that back on. And a couple other things that we'll take a look at. We've got a little paper box here. Not sure what's in it. All right. Ooh. All right, we've got like a Picatinny rail mount. So you unscrew this. Allows this side to open up here. So you can put this on your rail. We have a clamp here, a mounting ring. You can see it's all hollowed out in there, so it's very light, even hollowed out here. And then we have 4 screws here, which you would release, I'm assuming, to get this sucker in here. Now I'm just going to kind of drop it in and see how much space we have, because I don't have my hex keys out to do that right this second. But that's pretty cool. You can absolutely mount it off your center line and have it on there. And then this is a pretty nice thumb screw here, tighten that down. Awesome, pretty cool. That's definitely tactical. And then on this end, we have a tactical remote switch, which is pretty cool. So we've got the same base cap here, except this, it doesn't have a switch built in there. We have this this wire with a switch in here. All right, so first of all, let's just take a look at this thing when it's on like this, and that is bright. I'm really impressed with how bright this bad boy is, because it's as bright as you would expect it to be as a tactical flashlight. Nice bright pattern on there. I think that is just one mode. I'm not detecting any other mode. I will also say it appears that it has to be on or off. But if I half press it once it's on, I do have the ability to kind of do momentary off on it. Trying to see if I can get it to go on without, no, I can't get it to go on with the momentary press. So it has to be on. All right, let's just take this off here, because I want to try the old tactical switch on it. I do like the fact that it comes with 2 batteries. That's pretty nice. And these are so easy to find and to recharge. That's really the nice thing about these 18652s. They're everywhere, so really easy to have some backups on these. Hate when tactical stuff uses really small batteries and you don't always have them. So now I've got this in, and boom, obviously working. So you could attach this to an angle 4 grip, to your rail, to your grip, whatever, and then have a switch right there to turn this bad boy on and off. All right, now played enough with this inside. Let's take it out in the dark and see how it works. Here in the dark, got the Fyland, turn it on here. Only one mode, so it's going to be pretty easy to demo this, but I'll kind of give you some commentary. As a tactical flashlight, you know, this is maybe going to be used indoors. I think you can see here just how bright this thing is, right? Lighten up those trees out there. Man, this thing is crazy. I mean, it's on its brightest setting, which I don't know if it's, you know, I don't know, maybe 1,000 lumens or something, but man, it really has a long throw. Not only does it light up this middle part here, but as you can see, as I'm just shining it out on the lawn, I mean, I probably have 20 feet on either side that are really usably illuminated, man. This is bright. And, you know, if you're inside, right, using this as a tactical flashlight, you know, you've got it in your purse, you've got it attached to your personal defense tool, whatever that may be. I think this is really bright enough to kind of stun people, to kind of disorient them. Obviously, you know, you want it to be pretty bright to kind of blind people if need be, you know, just shining it in your eyes like that if you're getting approached in a parking lot that you don't feel comfortable with. So really, really nice. Now, I didn't put any of this together, and I didn't put it on anything because YouTube rules now do not allow me to demonstrate any assembly of anything, which is just the way it is, unfortunately. But I can just tell you that everything seems really well made. Everything fit as I kind of was dry fitting stuff just fine, and it worked on the things that I had in my place, and this is going to actually go on, you know, some of my fun stuff, some of my thunder sticks. So check it out if you want to link to this one. You can pick it up on Amazon where I got it, and I've just been really happy with all their products. Check it out. Peter Von Panda, out.